Hello everyone. Today is Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be fun to do a special drawing. So we're going to start out by making a ruler, but we're going to make it a little bit funky shaped. So you can make a line at the top, and then you're going to match it at the bottom. You're going to make a line at the bottom the same size. Great. And now you're just going to kind of indent it in the middle and come back out. So indent it in the middle, come back out. Great job. And now we're just going to add the little ruler lines on it. So I'm going to make a big one and some small ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So small, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A big one. 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones. And the fifth one big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do that all the way down. Great. Now we're going to draw a little smiley face on him. Just like that. And I'm just going to make a little nose. And now we're going to make the two eyes at the top. Kind of like an upside down V shape. And now two eyes, like that, or eyeballs rather I should say. Now the inner part of the eyeballs. And now just some cute little eyebrows. Like they're looking maybe a little bit shy. And you can decide if you want to make a boy or a girl. I'm going to make mine a girl. So I'm just going to put some eyelashes on her. Great. And now we're going to come down here and we're going to make just little arms behind the body. And last but not least, we're going to start from the heart, and we're going to draw a line out like this. And now we're going to connect it to a heart. So I'm going to make a round heart, a round heart. And now I want to take from the side, and connect it all the way over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of darkness on the sides, like that. And I'll make a little shiny mark like that. And there you have it. Our little ruler is looking shy. Maybe she has a crush on someone. She's looking at them and hoping they'll come over and say hi to her. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing and have a wonderful day. Happy Valentine's Day!